Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Taurus, we are picking few cards, guys, and I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle. So that will be our general guidance. What we need to do today, guys. Taurus. So this is the card. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies, guys. So we have coffin, book, and choices. So Taurus, in your situation today, guys, maybe in your career or in your personal life, you are making some important decision, guys, maybe in your career, regarding your projects or regarding your maybe some financial investment, whatever it is, whatever you do work related, or it may be in your personal life, maybe some decisions for yourself whether to take this relationship forward or not. But these choices are not something good or bad, these are just choices, guys, we see. So you are deciding on some things, and maybe for some of you in your situation, certain things are creating a problem for you, some kind of stress or some kind of an illness you are seeing, maybe some kind of financial trouble in your situation, and you are simply you just want to run away from this difficult situation, and you just want to isolate yourself, guys. And maybe you have that may be the reason you are making some important decisions today, what needs to be done. And I also see that your difficulties, maybe some troubles or stress or whatever it is coming to an end today, because you are getting that clarity in your mind today, guys. You have that clear knowledge about what your situation is, or what is the reason for these troubles, or what is the reason for this person speaking such words, and the reason for troubles. So you know the truth, or you know the secret, what caused this situation in your life today, guys, Taurus. So some kind of clarity is what you are getting today, guys. And for some of you, you even feel inspired to do better, to do much better in your future. So let's see what is your oracle guidance. So we have observer. So the energy with this card is that, guys, today, maybe for some of you, you need to if you are making some important decisions today, you need to hold on, think clearly, see your situation from a different perspective, then decide, guys. Because in our circumstances, we are up close and personal, and we don't know what is the right choice or what is the right decision. So sometimes, in order to make the right choice, you need to take a step back, see your situation from a different perspective, then decide. So that way you will be making the right choice today, guys. Taurus. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Taurus, thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.